Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If this is the first video that you're checking out, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. The channel has now surpassed 80,000 subscribers and is focused in on 100,000. So really guys, thank you to all of those that continue liking, commenting, and especially sharing these videos. The channel is growing and it's really because of your support. Now today what we're going to do is look at a Ram versus a Magnum. Race that I saw over at Atco. Now both of these are extremely highly modified. Many of you guys will recognize both of these vehicles, and it was a really cool race. Now the Ram belongs to Incredible Hemi. He has a YouTube channel and many of you guys remember him. He has a Whipple on there, is stage 2 cam, long tube headers, full exhaust, a Circle D torque converter, pretty much the bells and the whistles, but it is still a 5.7. I believe at some point he's going to be forging that engine and cranking up the boost on his 2.9 Whipple. Now the other car is a Dodge Magnum, and you guys have seen this thing up on the channel racing. Now this thing is an absolute monster. It's a Magnum RT. It's a Magnum RT with an SRT block in there, and they cranked it out to a 426. Obviously, it has a forced air cam, you know, fully built, forged internals, and it has a supercharger on the top of it. Now, he was saying that he does have a nitrous system set up, but he doesn't run it. Now, the last time that I saw him last year, he was in the mid-10s. And I'm not exactly sure what it is that he's going to be posting up this year. I believe it's still the same setup as last year. So with all of that being said, guys, let's get into it.
commercial with the guy where he pulled up the light with the 2x4s in the back and stuff. Bought the car. I think, oh, this is amazing. And then 3 months later, oh, what the hell's an SRT? Oh, crap.
So this is obviously not a what do you put? What did you put, like a
The front splitter.
the front splitter on
Yeah,
there?
it's from, I think
It's nice. It adds a little aggression.
it's cool, but I've gone through a few of them because it's a little rough in the city, parking and stuff. So I've messed up a couple of them.
So guys, if you haven't checked out the Magnum video, what was your best times?
That day was 10.503, but I've done 1040s.
1040s. So guys, if you want to see this beast running, I did a video the other day on it, and I'll tell you, it was ripping apart the track, the drag strip. So I know there's a lot of Magnum guys out there, and this is a hell of a setup.
Yeah, I mean, again, I've had the car since new, so it's a nitrous system on it, but I haven't used it on this build. I don't plan to. But
So it has a nitrous system set up already.
Yeah.
You're just not running it at the moment.
like, I set the car up to run 1050, so she's doing it on boost. So there's no reason.
What do you think you would get
Well,
with
the Sex kit, you can put 175. I think is the most you can add through it. So I mean, in ideal conditions, maybe a low bottom 10, maybe tickle a 9 in mine shaft there.
Very cool. So, you know, the kind of, why did you put the system in place if you...
Well, I had this car since new, so when I had the original 5.7, that's when I put this kit in.
I gotcha.
So I was spraying the 5.7 motor for years, and then eventually, learning a bigger motor and all this other stuff. And this is motor number 4.
All right.
And with this one, with the Whipple, she's where I need to replace kits and everything.
Beautiful.